Actually, I don't give too much away right now. Character के बारे में, I think मैं चाहूँगा कि audience ही इस चीज को experience करे शो के जरिए. I think what's interesting is जिस तरह शो लिखा गया है, there are a lot of surprises, and that's inherently there in the DNA of the show क्योंकि एक thriller show है, and Neeraj is known to kind of master thrillers. It's when you think of thrillers, I think that his name is like there at the pinnacle. And the reason for that is that it's very for thriller audiences, उनको surprise करना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है because they are always ahead of the curve. They know exactly okay अच्छा इस पे cliffhanger moment आने वाला है या अगला twist ये आएगा. And I'm a thriller fan also. मुझे जब episodes दिए गए थे पढ़ने के लिए, I was completely like a lot of things in the show will take you by surprise and wonderful cliffhanger moments throughout the show. So yeah, I can't talk much about Arjun Meena. I think we'll let him be a mystery and let people experience it in the show.
Even if you don't spill the beans, the fact that you are leading, you're heading it, we love it already. So,
Thank you.
And we can't wait for the surprises. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And wish you the best. Thank you. Neeraj sir, मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे है. The association with Netflix India, Tanya and the team has been long. There are several projects that you've worked on. How has it been working with Netflix India?
Fab. It's been a journey that we are extremely proud of. I mean, we managed to bring some interesting stories to our audiences, and there's a certain bit of faith going over there. And that's what keeps us going, and it's been an incredible journey, and yeah, I mean it's fun, it's extremely interesting as we go now.
Yes, we are ready, and thank you for, and we hope 2026 gives us more and more content to be entertained. Thank you. Amrita, कशी आहेस?
मस्त.
आणि तुझ्यासाठी एक लाईन, बाण नजरेत तुला घेऊन अवतरली सुंदरा, अत्यंत सुंदर दिसतेस.
थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.
आणि तुला पुन्हा एकदा भेटून आनंद झाला.
थँक्यू.
अमृता, तस्करी में आप क्या कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हैं?
फर्स्टली इट्स अ गिवन ट्रुथ रोल. वो एक मुंबई की लड़की है, बैडएस है और अपने हाथों से बहुत कुछ कमाल करती है. I mean, she is somebody who knows a lot of things in customs and वो कहता ना कि आदमी देख के पता लग जाता है इस बंदी को कि ये क्या है, कितने वेट का है. तो जैसे इमरान सर ने कहा कि of course we don't want to reveal a lot of things, but I just want to say this that मिताली is every Mumbai girl. She's a badass और मतलब उससे लड़िए मत, बस that's about it.
तो ये जो मिताली है, बैडएस मिताली, इमोशनल तैयारी ज्यादा करनी पड़ी या प्रोसीजर?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने एक्शन किया है, जैसा आपने देखा होगा. एंड फिजिकल तैयारी बहुत थी, इमोशनल तो यार हम लड़कियां होती है.
So yeah, and we saw it, and you've done majority justice के लिए सर.
Thank you.
And next question is शरद केकर. Years of experience, fans के expectations, और भी बहुत कुछ होता है at stake for any new outing on screen. What is that one factor जिसने आपको convince किया कि ये role तो मुझे करना ही है?
Good evening. दो चीजें, दो फैक्टर्स हैं इसके. सबसे पहला नीरज पांडे सर और दूसरा कहानी. और उसके अलावा किसी फैक्टर पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता नहीं है. तो कहानी कितनी अच्छी है और कौन बना रहा है ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो दोनों ही चीज़ें आई थिंक दी बेस्ट है इस जॉनर में मेरे ख्याल से. सो थैंक्स टू Netflix for this.
And you are the best. मुझे when you listen to this man speak, all you can do is what a voice. What a voice. Zoya, my next question is to you. and नीरज सर के साथ तो आप काम कर चुकी है, तो एक कंफर्ट लेवल आ ही जाता है. एंड तस्करी का ensemble के कास्ट के साथ काम करते हुए सीरीज में, what was your experience like?
हाँ, सबसे पहले तो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ऑनर्ड टू बी सिटिंग इन द अमंगस्ट ऑल दीज पीपल एंड देयर कंपनी. आई मीन मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत बेहतरीन रहा है. सबसे बड़ी बात आई मीन मेरे लिए ये रही है कि नीरज सर जो कि एक नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग डायरेक्टर हैं एंड ही इज गिवन अस फिल्म्स लाइक अ वेडनेसडे. ही स्टार्टेड हिज करियर फ्रॉम देयर एंड then Dhoni and then Special 26, ये सारी मेरी favorite films रही हैं. And I have always looked up to him as a director, as a filmmaker, as a storyteller. So, for me to not only be cast by him, but to be repeated by him is something that I am extremely, extremely honored with. And also, it's 10 years for Netflix, so congratulations on that. And मेरे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा खास रहा है बिकॉज जो ऑफ कोर्स कॉम्बिनेशन है ऑफ कोर्स नीरज सर का एंड विद ऑफ कोर्स इमरान हाशमी. With Imran, it's been such a wonderful working experience. I mean, he's made generations of all women go weak in their knees. So you can expect what I felt while working with him, and it was a great experience. But honestly, he's so grounded. Everybody in the team. Actually, मैंने नीरज सर से ये भी कहा था. मेरी पहली फिल्म जो है जब मैंने बचपन में की थी उसके बाद आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेट्स to be on Friday Filmworks, and everybody is so grounded, so they take care of all their actors. They're professional, they're on time. The story is fabulous. The characters that are written are so layered. मेरे लिए बहुत ही ऑनर की बात है कि मैं इस सेम पैनल में बैठी हूँ उनके साथ और उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. सो थैंक यू सो मच नीरज सर एंड द एंटायर टीम ऑफ नेटफ्लिक्स for not only having me but repeating me.
As storytellers to bring it to the audiences. आमतौर पे जो challenges आते हैं that was what was coming during production and all that, but nothing that we didn't enjoy negotiating because it was a tight team, all focused on delivering the best story that could be told. And it was a fun ride for all of us at the end of the day, and I think I can speak for all of them. आपने वेडनेसडे की बात की तो वो 100 मिनट की फिल्म थी. ये 7 एपिसोड और तकरीबन मेरे ख्याल से तान्या नुज़त 4 घंटे 4 घंटे की कहानी है. तो जाहिर सी बात है सब कुछ जो है वो एम्पलीफाई हो जाता है. आपको एक नॉवल की तरह जो है वो पूरी की पूरी कहानी कहनी पड़ती है. तो to keep it engaging for all the 4 hours of content making, that was the challenge. But I think that more than that, it's a very very interesting format of storytelling and a very different format from films. तो इसका जो to meet its demand, to meet its requirements, that's something that you enjoy and you relish as a storyteller. It's very different from films, and उसका मजा उसमें.
Getting into trouble now, huh?
It's okay.
Out of a lot of things.
Like what? They one now.
I think Neeraj knows the answer to that.
No, so even we want to know.
He knows the answer. It's between both of us. I think you have smuggled the same thing.
Okay.
I will never let you know what that is. I'm actually traveling now.
Oh, that's
इसने देख लिया. सीधा रोक देंगे
Have you been stopped at the
इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट ले रहा हूँ मैं भी. हाँ.
Have you been stopped at the green channel? Not for a picture, but.
I think they've been very sweet with me. Whenever I've traveled back, custom officers have been very sweet. लेकिन वो एक होता है जब आप it's a typical thing. There's no logic to it. जैसे आप गाड़ी चलाना सीखते हैं ना, आप शायद गाड़ी अच्छी तरह चला रहे हैं लेकिन RTO ऑफिसर जब दिख जाता है तो बड़ा नहीं ऑफ कभी जाता नहीं है. वो शुरुआत में वैसी चीज़ होती है. And when I started traveling alone, I might have packed only clothes in my bag. लेकिन आपको हमेशा लगता है कि I'm carrying 100 kilos of contraband in my bag. जब आप इमिग्रेशन से जा रहे हैं या आप कस्टम से ग्रीन चैनल से निकल रहे हैं, तो वो खौफ कुछ सालों तक था. Was dumbfounded. It's not really anything logical. I have got called out at immigration checks very early on. Maybe something about the earrings when I used to travel alone. Abhi they see me with my sweet family, so they kind of don't suspect me. Again, early on in early 2000s, I used to get whisked away on the side quite a bit. Profiling कहते हैं उसे. I fit the bill of something or someone. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that person is, but yeah, I didn't find out. No.